Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my last but one video in this 24 hours travel series. If you haven't watched my previous videos in this series, please do watch by tapping the link on the screen. We are going to Leeds from Manchester, and there I'll drop my luggage in one of my friend's home and take a train to York. So let's get started. Finally, we reached York. Look at the railway station, guys. It got a nice vintage look. The first thing I saw after coming to York is the York City walls. These walls are back from Roman times. To this day, substantial portions of the walls remain, and York has more miles of intact wall than any other city in England. We then visited the York City War Memorial, which is a First World War memorial. York is one of the most beautiful cities to visit in the UK, guys. It's a very old city founded by the Romans nearly 2000 years ago. It's definitely worth visiting. Now we are heading towards York Minster. York Minster is Northern Europe's largest medieval cathedral and is considered as one of the most beautiful Gothic buildings in the world. It took over 250 years to build, and the craftsmanship is amazing. You can't help but gaze and wonder how almost 900 years ago they accomplished that construction. The architecture looks stunning, guys. It's visible from nearly the entire city. If you ask me what's my favorite place in this entire travel series, it's hands down York, guys, and one of my most favorite museum is coming at the end of this video. So please watch the video till the end and don't miss it, because you all will love seeing it. The next place we visited is Clifford's Tower. The massive Clifford's Tower is York Castle's only remaining construction. It sits on a small hill overlooking the town, and although the tower itself does not have much to see inside, but the view from the top is worth the climb. York Castle Museum. The one thing I love in this museum is they recreated the history, guys. For example, like how the castle used to be in olden days.
Okay. Good afternoon. Please, now. Yeah. So no television. This is what we played with. So it's just a strip of pictures, and then it moves around.
Nice.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Then he moved into selling toys. So all these toys are original toys. So most of them are
As you can see, few people are roaming there dressed same like in olden days.
Drew the curtains around his four-post bed and settled back.
Now let's see how the castle looks like from outside. Jorvik Viking Center. History isn't just about medieval times in York. Excavations revealed a Viking village below the streets in the 1970s. Jorvik, an immersive museum that brings to life the village of the 9th century, is now home to the site of that settlement. Complete with disarmingly lifelike animated characters and an audio guide detailing Viking life. A trip takes you through a smells and all recreation of the town. This is the best museum I have ever been to, guys. Trust me, it just feels like real. It's really popular as well, so I recommend you guys to book tickets in advance. And one more thing I liked is that we can sit on the cart and explore the whole museum, which is awesome because we have been walking since morning. And then we shopped a little bit as there are a lot of stores across the city. And then we headed back to Leeds. That's it guys, in my next video I'm gonna explore Leeds. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If yes, please comment below and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to follow me on Instagram.